welcome to Let's Be Joyful box set number 6. So we have a beautiful bundle of goodies today, something maybe that you've not heard of or haven't seen or hold or held, or something a bit uncommon. And I love these guys. They're quite underrated actually for the most powerful that they are. And welcome, yes, to the I Am Good Enough bundle box series. The whole purpose, and hopefully at the ending of this, which we've got one more box left for this beautiful journey, is to help remind you that you are good enough as you are, and heightened, enhanced, more magical with the aid of crystals. So I'm Shannon from Crystal Unicorn Sparkles. I am a crystal Reiki practitioner, a holistic beauty therapist, shadow work facilitator, and I'm an intuitive psychic, a whole bunch of modalities put together. I am here to help guide you, teach you, spread crystal magic joy wherever I can. So you are enough just as you are. Beautiful reflection of this is something that we get lost on with the world of what we're seeing and putting forth, but you are good enough. You've just got to embody and embrace and lift and just, you are enough. So this is helping design, adding a few little elements. We've worked on heart, we've worked on grounding, and now this time we're working with the ego and the inner child to bring joy and spontaneous and fun and excitement, because we can get a bit serious. So let's dive deep. So in this set you will have some incense cones. There's 3 of those, plus your beautiful crystals. So you'll have your Dalmatian Jasper Sphere and your 4 crazy lace tumbles. These are fun and cute. And there's a little spear holder stand as well. So it's a Dalmatian Jasper. You've got a little clear stand, and you'll have 4. Oh, I lost the camera there. You'll have 4 crazy lace tumbles. Each will be unique and different, because that's what's really cool about crazy lace agate, is they are so different. Same with our Dalmatian Jasper, like every single spots will be different. And you're going to have some more fiery colours and some lighter colours. And your incense cones, your little card, and then the other goodies that you'll want for this is your cards from box set number 1. If you don't have them, don't worry, you'll have other prompts to be able to use them, and your Crystal Odyssey book, and a Palo Santo, which is box set number 1, and I believe we added in again in number 4. And we'll always start off with our, so we've just unboxed our crystals with a bit of a cleansing. So we'll do that now. So we're going to set the mood. So like always, I've got my candle because I find it's easier to light it. Now you'll see my poor Palo Santo is teeny tiny because she is being well used. So you want to light her up. I'm just putting the flame in a 45-degree angle. You want it to be lit, but you don't want the flames to shine. Goes in, so see, she's burnt out and you just want the smoke. So as we're using our Palo, you think, I release what no longer serves me in your bubble, in your circle. I bring grounding and clarity into this moment. And with your crystals that have just arrived, think, I cleanse and clear. So you're cleansing your space, you're welcoming and cleansing your crystals, getting ready to work brilliantly for you. I cleanse and clear, I cleanse and clear. And you'll know when she's done her job, because she'll have no smoke, or at the moment mine's getting really thin, and she's done her job. So let's be joyful. We're welcoming in our crazy lace agates and our Dalmatian Jasper. Dalmatian Jasper, a lot of comes from Mexico and India, and crazy lace is from Mexico. And there is a Moroccan silk one. Oof, she's beautiful. So we're working with earth and we're working with fire, because crazy lace has earth and fire, while Dalmatian Jasper is earth. Let's be joyful. So together their energies are uplifting, encouraging, joyful, playful, excited, with being Jaspers, emotional calming and healing as well, and just like ready to have some fun. So the affirmation we're working with is, I embrace joy, love and peace with an open heart. Oof. Lovely. So So some exercises you can do with your crystals, so our Dalmatian Jasper Sphere. So naturally you can place them on your little altars or around your space. These are quite bright and joyful. I wouldn't recommend in the bedroom, because your bedroom you want calm and peace, but when you're excited, everywhere else is fine. But with your Dalmatian Jasper, go for a walk. Playfully follow and just take a look around you, take some little photos, smile, just wander around without a plan. Just go for a wander with her. And she's going to bring that puppy dog energy, that excited energy, and take a look what is around you. See the birds, see the flowers, see the grass, pick some flowers, see if there's feathers. Just have a wonderful, like just a playful walk with no destination. Just go for it. And then when you come back, journal some of the things you saw and what brought joy for you, what put a smile on your face and just got you excited. And what did you notice when you let joy lead? Or when I let joy lead? Some journaling prompts as well. And then crazy lace agate. I want you to hold crazy lace agate. There's 4 little pieces, good for, again, pockets, bras, pillows. Create a little set. And do some colouring or painting. Dance around. Get it, like, bring that joyful, because it's your laughter stone. It brings joy and clarity, and smile. Dance your favourite songs. I've written 90s songs because I am a 90s baby. And get creative. Do a drawing and place your crystals around it and then colour in. Like, just have some fun with them, because that's what they are for. Bringing that fun, spontaneous creativity. Blow bubbles. Just to have fun. So, your laugh list is your journaling prompts today. I have included a journaling prompt that you can digitally have and print as well. They've got some more serious questions, but just grab an open journal and sit with your crystals, have them around you, and just think 5 things that make you laugh recently. It could be silly things. And then 3 people who brought joy and a smile to your face. And then a moment of pure happiness when you were a child. Maybe you can bring that back and recreate it and go for it and do it again. So that's our crystals. Now, with your incense cones, it's very much like an incense. You want to light the very, very top, and where her base is, you want to sit them down, and you're just going to let it burn down. So you don't want a flame, you want, like the palo center, you want the flame to burn out, and it's just going to burn itself. The difference is an incense stick is a long stick, this is just a cone. So what I would recommend is having a heat-proof dish underneath, so my shell and you sit it down on its base. Don't know if it's going to show up. Just so, because it's going to, the incense will burn down and will make a bit of a mess on the floor, or the mess on the base. And so then you want to just be able to chuck it out easily. So that's why we use this as well, to capture the Palo Santo fallout. So that's how you use incense cones. And then now, I want you to grab your affirmation cards. This is a beautiful, just daily pull to reminder. Maybe you've got your Dalmatian Jasper Sphere out and your tumbles out, and you want a card to visualize. So, a card to help bring joy to my life. Just a nice, beautiful daily ritual to get into a habit of. This one's perfect. I am love, and I am brave, and I am worthy, and I am the best me I can be. And if that doesn't put a smile on your face, you've got crazy lace agate, the laughter stone, and Dalmatian Jasper to bring that puppy dog energy into play. And then it is time to grab your Crystal Odyssey book. Now these are sold separately or in the box set number 1. Or you can just sit and journal your feelings with the stones. Sit and research them some more, look at the details up. You do have a little bit of your instructions on the card that came with this kit, and just explore your crystals even more. So under default Dalmatian Jasper, this is how I personally would do it, but you get creative with yours. I want you to sit with your crystals Oh, I can't do it properly. Silly me. I want you to sit with your crystals, and I want you to research them some more. There's journaling prompts to write the elements and the chakra. So we're working with our solar plexus and our sacral, right where the ego sits, right in your belly button, top and bottom. And we're working with fire, and we're working with earth. You've got your affirmation room to write down for Dalmatian Jasper, and then C for crazy lace agate. So sit and research them, write them down, get excited. So this crystal address book, or my crystal odyssey book, is for you and your journey on your crystals to, one, remember the ones that you do have, and two, connecting with your meaning. Because sometimes the books and what we see in research doesn't sit with us, but you might have certain bits from all the research that you go, okay, that's what it means and that's what it's for. Get excited with this box set. Look how beautiful they are. Oof. And enjoy them. Remember to laugh and to have fun and to explore and let your inner child have fun, because when your inner child's having fun, the ego is feeling safe and secure and chilled out, because the ego is there to keep us safe, but it's also great to be spontaneous and fun and excited and laugh. So go for your walk. Do some of your childlike activities that you would have done, and sit and reflect and just, again, enjoy. Bring joy and have fun. And as a huge thank you, cheeky thank you for anything else on the website, it's thank you 20. It gives you 20% off everything. I'm always constantly adding more, and I'm also doing Facebook Lives every week on Crystal Unicorn Sparkles, and I'm any pop-up shops, and I do online other training as well, and that's all can be found on my Eventbrite page, as well as Facebook, all of that kind of stuff. So have a beautiful day, and I hope you enjoy this beautiful box.